In this video, I'm doing my fall kitchen vignette. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. In today's video, I am doing my fall kitchen vignette. I wasn't able to participate in the challenge that was hosted, but I still wanted to upload my video. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end. Now here's the finished product. I think it's kind of cute this year. Tried to do it a little different. I have my little ball scarecrow that I got from the Dollar Tree last year, and I picked up this cute one this year that's standing, and then the sign that's new this year. I found that at General Dollar for $1, and I have the black and white pumpkin and a white pumpkin, and then she asked for an apple. So I have these salt and pepper shakers with fruit on them. It's an apple on the top. So I think I accomplished everything she normally asks for in her vignettes. I think it's cute for fall. And let me know down below what you think of my vignette. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.